8217 Ocean Terrace. We do have grass that needs to be removed. There's a smell in the house, and I think it might be from cats. I would definitely want another opinion on that. So we have these upgraded plantation shutters throughout. A few are broken, they're hard to repair. The flooring looks pretty good. I'd say, I'm just guessing, 40% rehab, 40% repaint. Remove items like that sort of date the property. So hey look, it's on. The kitchen light, I haven't quite figured out where it is. Yeah, I'm not quite sure, but these are tiles. So that is not equal to having slabs. We definitely want a gooseneck faucet. The fridge is looking a little rough. Little pet door there. I have to say, one thing that I really noticed about this property is the large size of the rooms. Okay, I don't know why it's not opening, but as you can see, we have a patio overhang, which is great because this side of the house will get the morning, afternoon, and the evening sun. So we have the concrete as well. The grass will probably have to go though. You couldn't see, but the AC unit is dated, of course. So we may recommend a home warranty. I couldn't get this light to turn on. This room seems pretty straightforward. Probably used as an office. There's no closet. And replace that fan so it works. Probably junk this here and whatever that system is on the wall next to the water heater. There's some closet doors over there and some items. I would prepare for the cost of junking. The washer and dryer is downstairs, pretty far from the bedrooms. Oh, that fan probably needs to be replaced. And that toilet. Maybe the sink and counter as well. I'm not sure. We'll get the property manager's opinion. And maybe a blind here. It's a smaller raised window, probably caulk in there. Okay. Yeah, so I think the smell is on the carpets. The rooms are so large. We have a two-way fireplace. They got a lot of efficiency out of that space there. Replace that toilet seat. Minor cost. It's a jacuzzi tub, so if it stays, we would include in the lease the verbiage as is. No one's getting any repairs done. We need a shower rod. I'm going to assume this toilet seat needs to be replaced as well. Need some closet guides on this door, but we have some built-in, so that's great. Need some closet guides on that door as well, but again, we have some built-ins. Just replace that little outlet cover over there, minor things. I couldn't get the light to turn on in here, but it's a very large room. We do have closet guides in here for some reason. The shutters are in good condition, so if the fan ends up functioning, then it can stay. That's it.